And our beloved Prophet said that anyone who marries completes half his deen. You have younger brothers and sisters, that means few brothers and sisters. You have parents. Now, if you have to get married, why you have to leave them is my question. Yes, if you get married, your expenses may increase a little bit. But once you get married, you can get your wife into the family. There will be one additional person in your family. And surely, the one additional person, after having so many people, will not be a burden. And when she comes, surely she'll help you. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that when you get married, you look for 4 things: beauty, nobility, wealth, and virtue, deen. And the best among this is virtue. So when you get a virtuous wife, surely when you marry her and get her home, surely she'll be an asset to you. She'll help you in looking after your younger brothers and sisters. She'll help you in looking after your parents. But see to it that you marry a virtuous wife.